Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. Holi is around the corner and would bring lots of joy, colors and fun with it. Holi marks the beginning of summer, that is why I bring you a recipe of kulfi with a twist. In today's video, I'm going to show you the recipe of Jalebi Rabdi Kulfi using Gits instant jalebi and rabdi mix. So let's get started. Let's start with the preparation of jalebi. So for that, heat a kadhai, add 300 gram sugar and 240 ml water. Mix till the sugar gets dissolved in water. Keep the flame between low to medium. Then add a few strands of saffron. Cook the sugar syrup for 5 to 7 minutes between low to medium flame. And once it's done, set it aside. To make jalebis, I'm using this instant jalebi mix from Gits. Now you can easily make jalebi at home in 3 easy steps. Gits Jalebi mix does not contain artificial colors, flavors or preservatives. You can make 25 jalebis with a packet of 75 rupees. You also get a jalebi maker free with this Gits instant jalebi mix. Transfer the contents of the jalebi mix to a bowl. Add 125 ml room temperature or cold water. Mix till you get a nice and smooth batter. Transfer the batter to the jalebi maker. You may use a cloth to pipe the jalebis. It totally depends on how you want to make it. Close the lid. If you're using this jalebi maker, make sure you place the lid at this place while you're piping your jalebi so that it doesn't interrupt. Heat a pan and add ghee. I'm using Gits Ghee for frying jalebis. Once the ghee becomes hot, start piping the jalebis. 3 circles and then back to the middle or center. You might need some practice to do this, but it's not that difficult. Fry the jalebi between medium to high flame, flip them. Once they become slightly crispy, take them out on a plate, let them rest for 2 to 3 minutes and after that transfer them to the warm sugar syrup. Soak for 30 seconds. You may soak these for a little longer duration and then take out on a plate. Similarly, you can fry the remaining jalebis. You can enjoy these jalebis just like that or with rabri, or you can try the Jalebi Rabdi Kulfi that I am making today. Jalebis are ready. Now let's move to the next step. Let's prepare rabri. To make rabri, I am using Gits instant rabdi mix. Transfer the mix to a kadhai or a pan with thick bottom. Next add 500 ml milk. I am using cold milk. Make sure the milk is either at room temperature or cold. Add a little first, make a paste and then add the remaining milk. After that, transfer your kadhai or pan to your gas stove or induction. Cook the rabdi at medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes or till you get your desired consistency. The rabdi would start to thicken and once it gets this consistency, switch off the flame. Transfer the rabdi to another bowl. I thought I need more rabdi, so I made from another packet as well. So this is rabdi from total 1 liter milk and 2 packets of Gits Rabdi mix. Set aside a few jalebis for decoration and chop the remaining. Chopping the jalebi like this would ensure that you get jalebi in every bite of your kulfi. The rabdi has cooled down. Look how thick it has become. Next step is to transfer the chopped jalebis to this mix. Gently mix. To set the kulfi, I am using kulhad. You can use small bowls, small katoris or kulfi molds for this. But if you've got these kulhad, you can use these in your freezer. So don't worry, it has a wide mouth, easy to eat and easy to clean later. Transfer the Jalebi Rabdi to the molds. The Jalebi Rabdi mixture is so tasty that you can enjoy it just like that without freezing as well. Garnish with some pistachios or your favorite dry fruits. Before setting these in freezer, to prevent formation of ice crystals, cover these with a cling wrap. If you do not have a cling wrap, then you can recycle or reuse other plastic bags. Just cut out a portion, Then cover your mold and use a rubber band to secure it. Set the molds in your freezer till the kulfi sets. It might take 5 to 6 hours or maybe 8 to 10 hours. It depends on your freezer as well. Once the kulfi sets, you can take it out and wait for 2 to 3 minutes till it becomes slightly soft, and it would become very easy for you to eat it. This rabdi jalebi kulfi tastes fantastic. You get pieces of jalebi soaked in rabdi, so delicious. You can garnish your kulfi with jalebi and rose petal right before serving. Do not freeze your kulfi with a jalebi on top. You can call the numbers given on screen to place your Gits order. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe and would like to give it a try this Holi. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes.